Ever wondered what it takes to become a top fighter jet pilot? What does the journey from a novice to an ace look like? Well, strap in and prepare for a supersonic ride through the rigorous adrenaline-pumping process of fighter jet pilot training. The journey begins with a basic military training. Here, future pilots acquire fundamental military knowledge, undergo physical conditioning, and learn discipline, teamwork, and leadership. It's a grueling initiation, where only the most committed emerge ready for the next step. Following this, the chosen few proceed to initial flight training. This phase is all about mastering the basics of flying. It's a steep learning curve, with trainees learning to handle an aircraft, navigate, and communicate effectively. They fly single-engine propeller planes under the watchful eyes of experienced instructors, honing their skills and building confidence. With the basics under their belt, the trainees advance to advanced flight training. Now they get their first taste of flying a jet. They learn to handle high speeds, experience G-forces, and practice intricate maneuvers. It's a challenging and exciting phase as they transition from propeller planes to powerful jets. Up next is the Fighter Fundamentals course. Here the trainees delve into the specifics of fighter jet operation. They practice air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, learn to operate advanced navigation and weapon systems, and refine their tactical thinking. It's an intense phase that demands precision, quick decision-making, and nerves of steel. Once they master these skills, they're ready for the combat mission training. This is where the trainees experience simulated combat missions. They face complex scenarios, challenging terrains, and simulated enemy attacks. It's a test of their skills, resilience, and courage. The final step is the squadron integration. Here, the new pilots join operational squadrons, flying alongside seasoned pilots. They participate in real missions, experiencing the thrill and the challenges of being a top fighter jet pilot. So, to summarize, becoming a top fighter jet pilot involves a series of intense, demanding stages. It begins with basic military training, followed by initial and advanced flight training. The pilots then specialize in fighter fundamentals, undergo combat mission training, and finally integrate into operational squadrons. It's a long and challenging journey filled with hard work, dedication, and countless hours of training. But the reward for the few who make it through. The privilege and the thrill of piloting one of the most advanced machines on the planet, and the knowledge that they belong to an elite group, the best of the best, the sky's true warriors.